Okay, so I'm going to show in this video about how to use system audio for ASR transcription, and then I'm going to show other functionalities of TerpMate. All right, so first things first, when I have this thing on, I would go to here to illustrate Mac offline. Okay. Um, and I would choose system audio as an input rather than uh, any of these microphones. Uh, so let's say I get a YouTube video of Mark Carney playing. Let me see, play.
It seems that every
I
day
hope everybody can
we're
hear
reminded that we live
And
in an era of great power rivalry, that the rules-based order is fading, that the strong can do what they can and the weak must suffer what they must. And this aphorism of Thucydides is presented as inevitable, as the natural logic of international relations reasserting itself. And faced with this logic, there is a strong tendency for countries to go along to get along, to accommodate, to avoid trouble, to...
Okay, let me pause it here so you can see that it is working here. But there is one thing that you perhaps didn't notice. There is this one click. There's a small icon called GT here that if you move your mouse cursor to, you will be able to see it says hide TerpMate, and I can click on that. So TerpMate now is not competing for your attention. You can perfectly hide it with one click, and you are either working, on your document, on transcript or speeches, or if you are doing a remote interpreting job, you can focus on a video. You can, of course, one click if you need help by showing it up. All right, let me just do it live.
hope that compliance will buy safety.
Google 2.
Well, it won't. So what are our options? In 1978, the Czech dissident Václav Havel, later president, wrote an essay called The Power of the Powerless. And in it, he asked a...
So I hope you can see the illustration of how this is used.